Tired of guessing where your project hours are going? Let's bridge the gap between project management and accurate time tracking by connecting Asana and Clockify. First, ensure you have accounts on both platforms: Asana, your project management hub, and Clockify, your time tracking champion. Now, head over to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Clockify Time Tracker. You want to find the official Clockify extension. Click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. This handy extension is the key to the integration. Now, open Asana, navigate to any task within any of your projects. You should now see a Clockify Timer button directly within the task. Simply click this button to start tracking time spent on that specific Asana task. Clockify automatically pulls the task name into your time entry. Switch to Clockify's web app. You'll find your time entries automatically populated with the Asana task details. You can further refine your entries by adding descriptions, tags, or billable status. The real magic happens in Clockify's reporting section. Generate detailed reports to see exactly how much time is spent on each Asana project and task. This data empowers you to optimize workflows, manage resources effectively, and gain insights into project profitability. By integrating Asana with Clockify, you're not just tracking time. You're unlocking a new level of project control.